Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen, Vegan Iniquity, where we had a poll a little while ago about 3 different burgers, and I decided to make all 3. This was, I think this was the loser, Chef John's Mississippi Slugburger. Now, it's not made out of slugs, so I have not veganized slugs. It's a very, very old burger. I believe it was being sold during the Depression, and that was back when a nickel was called a slug, and this was so full of filler they could sell it for a nickel. So it used to be, the beef used to be cut into flakes back in the day. They switched to what they called soy granules or kernels. Is probably just, TVP. Well, this is already made out of TVP. So I followed Chef John's breadcrumb recipe. Basically all I did was I ground up a couple of the hamburger buns, mixed it with the Beyond Beef, a little bit of garlic and onion powder, and fried it. And it got a little bit loose. The Beyond Beef doesn't have the sticking power that a dead cow has, apparently. But still, it held together pretty good. You have to cook them well done. And the only thing you put on them, besides the bun, is mustard and dill pickle. So, here it is ready to go. And the recipe will be on my blog, and I will link it in the description. Let me take a bite of this. It's so hard to pick these things up with one hand and try to eat them. It's crunchy. I forgot to mention, you sprinkle a little chili powder on top of the burger before you put it together, which I did do that, and it tastes really good. You can still taste the Beyond Beef flavor, but because of if the breadcrumbs, it gets like a to be like a super crunchy burger patty. It's not quite the same as if you breaded it or anything. It's very unique. Like Chef John says, his is unique too. So, thanks for voting in the poll. Thanks for watching, subscribing, commenting, liking, sharing. Thanks for visiting the community tab. Uploads every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Community tab posts Monday and Friday. Yesterday's video, the previous video, will be linked in the description. And I will see you later, guys.